This is Mobile Tech training for refrigerant tracking. Once you're in the service call that you're working on, you're going to want to select the tab for equipment. And this will pull up the equipment for that particular location, and you'll highlight the one that you're working on. Once highlighted, you're going to want to select the icon at the bottom that looks like a thermostat. At this point in the middle of the screen, you'll see any history on that unit as far as refrigerant that was used or retrieved. And to add, you're going to select the icon at the bottom that is the starburst. And this is going to pull up your new refrigerant tracking screen. Once this screen comes up, you're going to want to verify that you're on the correct call, date and time, and you're going to want to enter your EPA certification. You're going to also check that there was a leak found and leak repaired. You're going to select the location. We're going to use compressor, and we're going to also select a sublocation, and we're going to select fittings. For the drop down, you're going to choose the type of refrigerant that you're using. And at this point, you're going to want to put in the optimal charge for the unit, any refrigerant that was recovered from the unit, and any refrigerant that was added to the unit. If you come down on the screen, the next one is your fault code, and this would be a corrosion issue, and the action that you took, and at that point you replace the part, and the verification method that you used. We're going to use bubbles and the date that the first verification was on, if you did a second verification, and also the correct date that that was done. At the bottom there is a comment box. There you're going to add any information that is pertinent to this particular unit or this call. Once everything is correct, you send at the bottom, and that will add this to the history of that particular unit. And that concludes Mobile Tech training for refrigerant tracking.